Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find old servers in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As you guys know, if you open up a game or experience in Roblox, you only have the option to join by using this big green button or scrolling down into the Servers tab and choosing from one of these random servers. What this means is that it's impossible to know how long a server has been up for. Is there a method to join only old servers or increase your chance to join an old server? Well, yes. All you have to do is use the RoPro extension. So go into Google and look for RoPro or Roblox in the Chrome Web Store. This extension works in any Chrome Web Store compatible browser, and of course that means Google Chrome, but also other browsers can use this extension like Firefox or Opera GX. So download the extension, add it to your browser, and after you do, turn it on if you need to, and you should be able to see it by clicking the extension icon. After you do that, click on the RoPro name to access the settings and make sure the Join Random Server button is enabled, so tick this box if it is unticked. Now you can go back to the game page and reload. You should be able to see this server hop button. All you have to do now is use this button whenever you're trying to join a game, because this button will put you into an absolutely random server, which means that it's going to increase your chances of getting an old server in the experience or game you're trying to play. So that's basically how you can find old servers in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.